Hello guys, welcome back to Good Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Chivalry to matchmaking failed error on your Windows PC and how you can fix this up. So first thing, when you're having these kind of errors, what you have to do is just have to check your network status. So this is the first step what you have to do. So checking out the network status is the first one. So you have to check whether you are connected to your network properly, or also you have to check yourself whether you are having any kind of issues in between on the network or the Wi-Fi's are slow. After trying this step, if it's not working, then we have a solution 2. So solution 2 is you just have to disconnect your Wi-Fi from here and you have to reconnect it back and see whether the issue is solved or not, because some kinds, changing or swapping between the network connections can completely fix the issue up. So you have to try this step also. Moving on to the third solution is all about you have to do a complete update on your Windows as well as on your softwares, like device managers. So here you have to go for update and security, and you have to see whether you are on the latest version of update. As you can see that I'm on the latest version of update, so I have to do this up. And also you have to check whether your properties over here and go to this PC and click on properties. Now from here you have to navigate to device manager and see whether the graphic drivers as well as the keyboard and mouse, everything is running on the latest version of drivers. So here display adapters, as you can see that AMD Radeon RX 5700, I have to update the driver and see whether I'm the latest version. And also in the vice versa, you have to check for all these things and make sure that all the things are on the latest version of the drivers. And the last and the least is you have to connect to the servers by manually. So you can do this up by following to the Twitter accounts over there. You can connect it from there, and also keep on always having an update on the official official pages of the game, so that you will definitely able to know whether the issue is there on the servers as well as there. So these are the things what you have to try in order to fix the issue up, and I hope this video is helpful for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.